Here we are going to look at some video directions for using StatCrunch to find the mean and the median for the female set of data, the sample of 9 female Facebook friends, and the male set of 10 male Facebook friends. So the first thing we want to do is we want to open StatCrunch and we want to manually enter these values in for the females and these values in for the males. So here we have the data entered in a column. I just typed in, for instance, I could change this to males, and then I could start typing in the data, just hitting enter after each one. That's just a little example on how to enter the data. So the first thing we want to do is we want to calculate, well, the only thing we want to do is calculate the mean and the median for the female set of data and the male set of data. I'm going to get rid of this column because I don't want it to be confusing us when we start doing this. So I'm just going to delete those off there. So what I need to do is click on Stat and then click on Summary Stats. Then my data is in columns. I have a female column and a male column, so I'm going to select columns. And I'm going to click on female. I can do this at the same time for both of the sets of data, and to select another column to do the calculations on, I can hold down my control button or my shift button and click on the other set of data. Over here is everything that I can calculate. Everything highlighted in blue is what is over here that will be calculated. So if I have everything that I want to have calculated over there, which I want the mean and the median, and I see mean and I see median, these are kind of the standard default, which usually has everything that we need. I can click on compute, and here's my output. I see that the mean for the female friends is 305.7777. and the male friends is 274.1. And down here's the median, 288 and 208. So as you can see, that was very quickly done. I just clicked on Summary Stats columns, selected my two columns, one for female and one for male, and hit Calculate.